you're experiencing slow internet connection, here are some things you can try to increase your Wi-Fi speed. First step, if you're already connected to the Wi-Fi, what you can do is try disconnecting and then reconnecting to that Wi-Fi again. Also, one of the easiest way to increase Wi-Fi speed is by going closer to the router where the Wi-Fi is coming from. You might also check settings and Wi-Fi if there are any Wi-Fi or internet connection available that may have a higher speed, which will help you browse easier and faster on your phone. Another thing you can try is restarting your phone or turning it off and then turning it on again. You can do this by long pressing the power button on your phone and then clicking or pressing slide to power off button. According to some, removing your phone case might also help increase Wi-Fi speed, so you might want to try this. And those are the steps you can try to increase Wi-Fi speed on any iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.